The hashtag up in the house. Yes, I'm over here to show my love from my house. Still over here to end up shouting you out. People telling me, did you know what about? I seen people going through so many things. Yes, I'm over here giving you a dream. Dreaming, keep doing your thing on your thing. Still over here saying I see your dream. Now I see, what I say. People tell me what I say in my way. Showing love in the place where I stay. People telling me, but they're going to pray. Hashtag I'ma show 'em some love. Voice and mouth to, oh yes, you're getting hugs. Getting these hugs coming up from Jay. People tell me, do you want to stay? Now I see you, I see what is over. I'm saying I will love you. Love over here with love and prayer. People's over here saying, what about a savior? Hey. Send a hashtag still over here and we going to the songs over here and we cooking these songs. People talking about like with everyone saying what? Send a hashtag still over here and you know she's on this thing when I put it on a song. People talking about yes you do belong, saying hey, now seeing you support me over here, just get up. Starting from the bottom just to work your way up. People's over here just grinding for what? People want to hate, don't worry about them. People's over there running to the DM. Try to tell you, you need to go stop doing what you like, that's what's really hot. Hashtag I'ma send it down. Still over here, you still get down. Showing that love when we rock that south. Still I'm the J when I run in my mouth. Ayy. Send a hashtag force them out to, and I guess you get some. Started from the bottom and you get on up. Still over here, just pick it on up. Don't worry about the people hating on you. Keep doing your thing, just keep shining through. Don't let the people gonna stop your shine. Still over here, that's why I'm gonna rhyme saying, hey. Send a hashtag what's it matter to? Oh yes, you getting some more when I'm showing this song. Now put your name over in a song.